Hello, beautiful people. Let's start off by rubbing our hands together, warming up our hands. In today's sequence, we are going to work on honing in on our creative and sexual energy. This energy requires warmth and safety, emotional, psychological, and physical safety. We want to move any stagnant energy and remove that from our systems as our body naturally produces more. Let's make space for this and remind our body that it is safe. So today we are going to focus on opening up our hips while also bending and twisting our spine. There's a lot of emotional buildup here that needs to be moved and released. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Leave your comments below after this video and let me know how this felt on your body. Meet me at the top of the mat in mountain pose. Intuitively move your body. Move from your waist, maybe move your shoulders around, stretch out your arms, interlace them behind your back and pull. Stretch out your right arm by hugging it against your chest, then stretch your left arm. Reach your arms up to the sky and look up. Stand on your toes as you reach up, hinge at the hips, fold forward. Slowly lift your body up vertebrae by vertebrae. We are going to start with Malasana and end with Malasana. Step your feet mat width apart with your heels turning inwards and your toes pointing towards the edge of the mat. Palms together by your chest, elbows out, squat into this position until your bum is hovering over the mat. I used to fall backwards when I first tried this, but the more I strengthened my legs, the easier this position became. Now left palm reaches towards the edge of the left side of the mat. Right arm reaches towards the sky, opening up your chest in a feel-good stretch. Breathe. Repeat on the other side. Left arm reaches to the sky and breathe. Palms on the mat in front of you as you send your hips towards the ceiling. Legs are straight. Exhale, bend your knees as your chest hugs your knees and let your head hang. Inhale, lengthen your legs and lift your chest away from your knees. Chin away from chest. Exhale, bend the knees, chest hugs the knees. Repeat. Slowly come to standing vertebrae by vertebrae. Turn to face the left side of the mat. Step your left leg as far away as is comfortable towards the end of the mat. Spine is long. Hinge at the hips and fold forward. Palms on the mat. Move your torso from side to side, going at your own pace. This is not supposed to hurt, so if it doesn't feel good, stop. Bend your elbows and allow your body to fold deeper into the stretch. Head hangs. Inhale, push into your palms, lengthen your arms as you lift your chest up, spine is long. Exhale, bend your arms and fold at the waist. Repeat a few more times at your own pace. Left palm on the mat beneath your face. Right arm reaches towards the sky, opening up your chest. Look up and breathe. Exhale, release your arm and repeat on the other side. Walk your hands to hug your right leg. Breathe into that stretch. Walk your hands to hug your left leg. Back to center. Bring your feet a bit closer and shift your weight on your toes. Find your balance and interlace your fingers behind your back. Shoulder blades hug the spine. Lift your torso back to standing and slight back bend. Turn your left foot to point towards the back of the mat. Step your right leg to meet the left. Inhale, hands reach up towards the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Palms on the mat. Step your feet all the way back into plank position. Hold and breathe. Slowly lower your knees, chest, and chin to the mat. Untuck your toes, palms are under your shoulders, elbows hug your ribs. Push into your palms, peel your chest off the mat into cobra. One more time. Chest and chin back to the mat. Interlace your hands behind your back. Pubic bone presses into the mat. Engage your thighs as you peel your chest and thighs off the mat. And release. We're going to try this one more time. You can interlace your hands behind you or have them by your side as though you're a jet zooming by. Try to lift yourself a bit higher. And release. Push into your palms as you send your hips back to touch your heels into child's pose. Arms extended in front of you, breathe. Tuck your toes, lift chest up and slide your arm underneath your right armpit. Turn your head towards the right. Breathe. Repeat with your right arm. Knees and palms on the mat, arms are long as you shift your hips forward into cobra. Exhale, send your hips back into child's pose. Inhale back into cobra. Exhale back into child's pose. Stay in child's pose, hands by your side, forehead on the mat. If it feels good for you, introduce your body to some gentle movement, side to side. Back to tabletop position. We're going to draw some circles with our rib cage. Rotate your chest to the right, round your spine as you draw a circle up to cat and rotate your chest to the left and arch your spine into cow. Repeat at your own pace. Now draw circles the other way. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin in, tailbone tucks in. Inhale, arch the spine, look up, bum reaches to the ceiling. Round your spine. Arch your spine. Tuck your toes and look back at your feet. We're preparing for Malasana. Place your left and right toes mat width apart, toes pointing at an angle, heels facing each other. Push into your palms, soles of the feet start to plant on the mat as you send your hips back into a squat position. Palms together by your chest. Breathe. Palms on the mat below your chin. Send your hips into the air as you lengthen your legs. And squat back into Malasana. Come into a comfortable cross-legged position. Palms on your knees, arms are long. Inhale, arch your spine, look up. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin in. Repeat 2 more times. Right palm plants behind you as you twist from the waist. Chest opens, look over your right shoulder. Repeat on the other side. Breathe. Come back to center and use this time to move intuitively, whatever feels good for your body. Creative energy is about intuition. Move in circles, stretch, shake your arms around and be silly if you want to. Our hips and spine store energy, so when we move like this, we help move it around and out of our system. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you feel better now than you did 20 minutes ago. I also hope you're proud of yourselves for taking the time to invest in your body and mind with warmth and gratitude.